Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, what up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a reaction to this video. I seen this guy's videos before. He's weird as hell. So it's called 3 Kinder Surprise Eggs, chocolate eggs unboxing. Yeah, let's just watch the video.
Hello, this is runforthecube. Today we have Kinder Surprising. Kinder Surprising is a chocolate egg. Let's spin it around. Ooh, something's inside it. Let's play. Spin the Kinder Surprising. I hope it points at you so we can. Guys, I've got my fingers crossed. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Time to cut it open. Let's find what's inside it. Ooh, chocolate.
Okay, that's weird, and I don't know why he did that noise for. Oh my god, dude, this channel is so weird, y'all. I don't know. Let's continue. Shit is weird.
And it looks like yellow.
It looks like them old ass school Kinder Surprises, like that creepy commercial with that egg character. Y'all remember that? Creepy, who was that? Creepy egg Kinder Surprise egg commercial, and it was that real life Humpty Dumpty looking thing. That's what that shit looks like.
Egg. What is that? Let's cut another open so we can find a toy. I hope there is a toy inside it. Let's open it up. Oh no, it's another plastic yellow egg. Let's open another Kinder Surprising.
Wait, so why does he sound like that, bro? I know he sound like that shit in all of his videos. It's so fucking weird, man. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious, bro.
Peel off the wrapper. I like it to pull off the egg skin. Almost downy. Just a lightly bite left. Let's draw an Aster Bunai. By size, the Bunai's head and eyes. Whiskers. Don't forget his eyes. By size, the last egg to open. I wonder what's inside it. Oh no, it's another plastic yellow egg. Ploop. Ooh, a big holy. Ooh, something's inside the egg. What is it? It's a yellow truck. Vroom. Ooh, so many colors. What's inside this, Sony? It's Mighty Motorcycle.
Bro, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna finish the rest of this fucking video. I really don't feel like watching the rest of this shit. I mean, I should for y'all. I don't. Let's watch this no more.
Mighty Motorcycle. I like motorcycles. Time to put on the stickers. This only goes here. Stick it on so it doesn't fall off. Careful. This only goes on the front. This is so much fun. Dice falling off. Oh no. This is the last egg. What is inside it? It is Bluey. Another motorcycle. Life size a fast motor tightly. Vroom. Ooh, very cool. I like it. It goes fast. I like it, my tiny surprisey. It was fun to play with my toys. Ooh, chocolate, toys, stikers, Piaki, cute.
Bro, I don't know what to say to that. I really don't. Like I said, if y'all like this reaction, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and favorite and all that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all better like this video, because I'm doing this reaction for y'all. Alright, peace out, y'all.